Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing the Sukhi's Paneer Biryani. So if you've lost your box or you just need a little guidance, we're here to help. We've got everything that we need assembled here. So the first thing that we need to do is just go ahead and take our sleeve off of our box. Now, as you can see, we've got our 2 rice pouches, and then we have a microwavable tray here. Now, this tray is a cardboard type of tray. They say that you can microwave it directly in here, but in my experience, I feel like sometimes these can impart a cardboard type flavor to your food. So if you have an additional bowl available, I would recommend not microwaving it in this tray. So we're gonna set aside one of our pouches because we're just gonna make one today. And we're gonna go ahead and cut that open and empty it into our microwave safe bowl. Again, if you do not have a microwave safe bowl with you, you can go ahead and empty it into your cardboard tray. Next, we want to just take a spoon or a fork and just separate out these rice grains. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Next thing that we need to do is cover this. I'm gonna just use some paper towels. If you have a microwave safe cover for your bowl, you can do that as well. And next we're gonna go ahead and pop this into our microwave for 2 minutes if you're heating 1 bag. Do 3 minutes if you are heating 2 bags together. All right, it has been 2 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take our cover off and stir this up. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. And now we're gonna recover this up and pop this back into the microwave for their recommendation of 1 to 2 additional minutes. So I'm gonna split the difference and do 1.5 minutes. All right, it has been the additional 1.5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and uncover this, and then you can serve it from right here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that we have reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees in this piece of cheese right here, just to make sure that it's fully cooked. All right, we have reached our temperature. Here is our completed Sukhi's Paneer Biryani. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we'd purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.